Okay, good morning everyone. Can you hearing me guys, please?
Yeah, we can hear you, sir.
Thank you. So in our last session, so simply we completed, what is uh, types of companies and the types of project and next is what sir and to scratch the jobs and what things we required as a beginner and as experience. Okay. And today we'll start slowly our main tracks are Python programming language. Okay. See, again, I'm reminding you yesterday what we completed. So types of companies. So basically, before going to joining the job, every employee must be required some company knowledge. Basically, we have here three types of companies. First one is production-based company. Second one is service-based company. Third one is outsourcing. Production-based company means product-based company means what? So these companies directly developing their products, developing their softwares, and sell into the market. Best example, Microsoft, Dell, HCL, okay, Google, Oracle. These are the best example for a product-based company. The second one is what? Service-based company. And these companies compulsory takes requirement from the client. Based on client requirement, they can start development their application. TCS, SCL, okay, Techem, Infosys, Wipro. These are the service-based company. The next one is what outsourcing companies, sir. So these companies, what they will do. So takes actually these companies pay the so run in payroll mode. So they can develop their own project if required, and they can develop other company products also. So this kind of company, what we call as outsourcing company. The next one, types of projects. So we have a three types of project again: scratch development projects, maintenance, and migration. And yesterday clearly I explained you what is the scratch development and what is the maintenance and what is the migration project. The next one is what types of jobs, right? So we have a two types of jobs here. As a fresher, we are going, and next one is what sir and experience level. The next part is what how to crack the interviews. How to crack the interviews. So suppose if you want to go with product-based company. So at that time, compulsory we are going to focusing on data structures concepts, algorithm concepts. Okay. Now here I am giving some list out, sir. You know, okay, this is data structures, algorithms, and design patterns, system design patterns, problem solving skills, and testing skills. So these are the things we required if you want to go with what product-based companies. Suppose, sir, I want to go with service-based companies. So when you are talking about service-based company, so compulsory we need to learn the our programming language skills, sir. And we guys came from here what so Python programming language. So here we can focus on core Python. In core Python, we are talking about operators, control statements, collection, everything we require. And the little bit of advanced level, we are talking about Django. So Django for developing web-based application. Sir, I want to develop my application like microservices, then go with Django REST API, Flask, Fast API, and front-end technologies are like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and finally React.js integrate with our backend code, sir. So these are the things we require to developing end-to-end one web-based application in service-based companies. So, sir, these things yesterday we completed, and slowly I am going to starting today. Okay, our Python programming language. So please, can you hearing me, everyone? Please need your response, sir. Indu, Rohit,
Ye- ye-
Sudhir, please. Okay, sir. So,
Yes, we
sir,
can hear you.
okay, thank you. Then, sir, what is the Python? Please understand. Guys, understand. Here, Python is nothing but a programming language, and that is also general purpose programming language, sir. So the word is very, very important. General purpose programming language. Then what is a general purpose? Means by using Python, we can develop any kind of softwares. Means Python for web development, Python for console application, Python for window application, Python for machine learning application, Python for data science application, Python for cyber security application, Python for operating system application, Python for testing application, Python for database application. Understand, sir? So, if you perfect in Python programming language, by using Python, all types of software we are going to developing. That's why Python is a general purpose programming language. And sir, who will can learn the Python? Friends, I'm promising you, okay, if you have a knowledge how to read English sentence, that is enough. So to learning Python programming language, not required to any prerequisite programming language. Suppose sir, I want to learn Java. So if you want to learn Java, compulsory you require C programming concept. Even you don't have no problem, that depends on faculty, sir. Suppose if you want to learn Java programming language, compulsory you require minimum knowledge on C programming language. But sir, I want to start learning Python. For Python, not required to any prerequisite programming language, sir. Because Python is very easy and very simple. Then how, sir? How you are going to reading your newspaper, sir? In the same way, our Python statements are there. So that's why Python is a very easiest programming language. And I'm promising you, my friends, even second class or fifth class student also can easily learn Python programming language because of simplicity. Then here one more word. Python is a high level interpreter programming language. Then what is a high level? But guys, one thing I'm going to highlight in here that is very, very important to us. So this is very, very powerful also. See, as a human being, we guys, as a human beings, we can understand your high level language only. Like, like, like English, Telugu. Okay, these are the language we can easily understand. Then what we call it is a high, here I'm talking about the English. Okay, English. Or Telugu. Okay, or you can talk about Hindi, sir. So we guys easily can communicate with English, Telugu, and Hindi, but it is nothing but a high level language. But when I'm talking about the computer, this is what our computer, right? This is what our computer. Here, computer is an electronic device. Means the computer designed with electronic components, and this computer can understand only one language is what, sir? Binary level language. And simply what we call it is nothing but a level language. Machine level language. So our machine directly won't understand our high level instruction. That means what? Suppose, okay, as a human being, I'm going to sending small message like hi to the machine. So once you send hi message to the machine won't understand. So what you will do, sir? This hi message want to convert into machine level language so that between human beings to this computer, okay, computer, we have a one software. The software name is what, sir? Operating system. Operating system. Please understand. In short format, what we call it is nothing but a OS, operating system. Here, operating system behave like a translator. It is a translator, sir. Means what it will do. operating system takes high-level instructions and process it and convert into low-level instructions, sir. Again, again from machine it can take a low-level instruction, process it, and given back into high-level instruction, while vice versa. So understand, sir. Basically, machine can understand which language? Only binary level language. But who will convert high-level instruction to low-level instruction? Operating system takes a responsibility to converting high-level to low-level and low-level to high-level. Understand, sir? So here one point is given. What is the point here? Okay, high-level language means which instruction you are going to giving in your program. All the instruction we are going to writing by using English language only. English language only. But okay, this instruction, these statements, we are converting into machine with some translators in your program. The translator is nothing but a Python software, sir. What we call Python software. In Python software, they given one component that is what PVM. PVM stands for Python Virtual Machine. Python Virtual Machine. And this component takes responsibility, convert high level instructions into high level instruction into into machine level, sir. Machine machine level. So that what we call Python is nothing but a high level programming language. Means while you are going to writing your Python programming language, okay, our Python statements always we are going to writing by using English language only. So not required to, we are not going to writing any zeros or ones code, sir. You can write your code by using English statements. But okay, how to convert? Okay, and to converting your in English instruction, they given one beautiful software name is what, sir? Python software. And in Python software, they given one component. The component is what? A PVM. PVM stands for Python Virtual Machine. So this Python Virtual Machine takes responsibility converting high-level instruction to low-level instruction. That's why here Python is nothing but a high-level programming language and interpreted, converting high-level instruction into low-level. And that instructions convert only once, sir. The same instruction we can use different kind of machines. That's why Python is a high level interpreted, and I can add more dynamic open source dynamic and general purpose programming language. Sir, who will develop the Python? Actually, Python was created by, Guido van Rossum in the year of, officially he started in the year of 1985, sir. But in market, he released 1991. So, guys, understand. Okay, if you want to compare with Java programming language, just I'm giving Java, sir. Because of Java, also one of the famous programming language nowadays. Okay, Python development started in 1990s, but officially came into the market in 1995, sir. I'm talking about Java. But if you see Python programming language, sir, okay, Python programming language development started in 1985, but officially came into the market in 1991, sir. So here I am going to adding one point. So which programming language came first, sir? Tell me, need your response. Is it Java or Python, sir?
Java.
Hey, look, sir,
Python.
in market Java is came, but which one is first, sir?
Python.
Python is came first. But because of usage, because of companies, okay, nowadays Python is famous. But before the Java, Python is came in the market. In Python officially released their version in 1991. Okay, Java started developing in 1990s, but officially came in 1995. But nowadays, both programming languages are very famous, my friends. But nowadays, compare with Java, Python is going to very famous. Guys, in upcoming 5 years, Python will, okay, everywhere is Python because of, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science. So everywhere we are going to using the Python because of simplicity and easy to use. And sir, how? I'll tell you one thing. Okay, how Python is very easy with Java programming language, one by one, sir. Clear my point up to here, need your response. Indu, Rohit,
Yes.
Sudhir.
Yes.
Okay, then sir, okay, what is Python clearly we can understand. Then okay, sir, why Python? Next point, okay, why Python, sir? Why Python? Guys, only one word I'm telling you. So, I'm talking about here programming language, sir. So, here Python is a programming language. Purpose is what, sir? Simply to developing okay softwares to developing applications or we can call what we call sir softwares developing applications or softwares. Sir, what kind of softwares we are developing by using Python programming language? Sir, I am not going to explaining you. I will show you the one proof. You will get more clarity. From where, sir? Okay, why Python and where we can use Python. So, guys, if you know more about these things, simply, sir, we have our Python official website name is what this one. Please, everyone remember www.python.org. org. This is the Python official website. From here, I am going to giving the clarity why Python programming language. So what you will do, come to the browser, and here you can go with our Python official website. Okay, come to here. And what is the website name, sir? Python dot, okay, .org. And click on it, my friends. Okay, and slowly we are going with our Python official website. So welcome to Python org, guys. Okay, please come to down. So this is our Python official website, and here only we are going developing a Python software and complete documentation also. And don't worry about it. Okay, we'll see one by one. Slowly come to down, sir. Okay, come to down. This is my small documentation, sir. And these words I am not given. Python organization clearly given by sir. Use, okay, observe here, Python for, Python for, sir. By using Python simply, we are developing web applications, sir. Developing web application like, Amazon website, okay, Zomato website, Swiggy, okay, YouTube, Facebook. No, these are the application purely designed with Python programming language only, sir. Top of the MNC companies software and their websites designed with Python only. So I'm talking about first one is what web development. So, sir, if you want to develop web application in Python, so which concept we are going to using? So, to developing Python, compulsory to developing web-based application, compulsory we require Django framework is required, sir. The next one more framework what Flask is required. Okay, so pyramid, bottle, okay, tornado, web to py. So these things we are not going to using, but so nowadays market using also Django and Flask. So these two frameworks are using to developing our web-based application in Python programming language. The next one, graphical user interface development. This suppose, sir, I want to develop, a standalone application like, sir, suppose what is standalone here? Which application run in single PC? Which application run in single PC? Suppose here I am talking about the calculator application, sir. This is a calculator. So this application is a window application, Windows application. I want to develop this kind of application. And this application always run in my PC only, not in your PC. And if you develop this kind of application, then we are going with graphical user interface development. For that, what we are doing? So TK Inter, Pygo Object, PyQt, PySide, Kiwi, WX Python, okay, DR PyGo. These are the models we are going to using to developing this one, sir. The next one, scientific and numeric application. That's where Pandas, NumPy, Scikit. So some Okay, SciPy, IPython. These are the libraries we are going to using to developing numeric and scientific application. The next one, software development. That means what, guys, okay, database softwares, testing softwares, cyber security softwares. So these are what we call software development. For that, they given so build dot track, roundup. These are the libraries they are going to using to developing software development. The next one, system administration. Means, sir, I want to develop like Android, sir, like Windows operating system, Mac OS. And in that case, we are going with system administration tools. Not only that one, sir, compilers, interpreters, any software drivers. And in that case, we are going to using Ansible, Salt, OpenStack, Jonas. So these are the libraries we are going to using. So these are the softwares we are developing by using Python programming language. Please clear from my side, need your response, sir.
Clear, sir. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Please tell me, sir, by using Python, what kind of softwares we are developing, sir? What is the first one here? మీరు చెప్పండి రా బాబు. Sir, tell me, need your response. Once read your help also, sir. What is the first software we are developing? Are you there, guys? Sudhir, Rohit, Prasad. Sir, alar Telugu?
Yes, sir. Yeah. No, no. I'm Hindi, sir.
No problem.
Odia language. So I can communicate in English or Hindi. Telugu
Okay.
less.
No problem. No, just I'm asking you. Sudhir, what about you, Mukesh? Indu. So, guys, by using Python, what kind of softwares we are developing? Please need your response. What is the first one? Web development means web-based application like Facebook, okay, like Facebook, Amazon, and dashboard application. That is what web development, my friends. And graphical user interface application like antivirus, MS Paint. Then scientific and numeric means data science, okay, machine learning, AI. These are what we call scientific and numeric applications. Software development, like testing tools, database application like MySQL Server. These things will become in software development. System administration, especially operating systems. So these are things we are developing by using Python programming language. Clear my point up to here. Need your response, everyone. Are say yes or
Yes,
no,
sir.
guys? Are you sleeping in class, please?
No, no,
Are
no, no.
please, at least text me, guys. Then only text me, please. This is the purpose of our Python programming language, guys. The next point, sir. Okay, here, what are the features of Python? Feature means what? Okay, sir, before going to starting learning any programming language, sir, why I want to learn the Python programming language? What is the benefits of that one? So I will tell you one mass example, you will get more clarity, sir. Suppose understand with you. Now you have the old Nokia mobile phone is there, like 1010 mobile phone. Guys, imagine. So in that mobile device, okay, that device having only two functionalities, sir. What is the functionality? You can do calling, and if required, you can do messaging, sir. Only two functionality. Only two functionality. Means what? That mobile having only two functionality, two features, calling features and messaging features. Sir, nowadays everyone carrying Android mobile, sir. Android phone. Android means what? Okay, Android contains calling, SMS, audio, video, YouTube, WhatsApp, everything is there. And our Nokia 1100 1010 device having a black and white. But nowadays our mobile having a what color, sir? Means graphical user interface mode, background color, some everything is there. We are playing audio video also. Tell me, sir. So if you want to leave it 1010, you are going from Android means what? why are going choosing here Android, sir? Because of its features. Am I right? Are yes or no? Guys, because of its features.
Yes.
So, which device having a more features, sir? Is 1010 or your Android mobile phone, sir?
Android.
Android, right? And same, my friends. Okay, before going to learning any programming language, we need to understand what are the features of what is the features of our Python programming language. Simple, sir. Okay, what we call features means what? It can describe characteristics of our Python programming language. Characteristics of our Python programming language. In that, sir, the first one is nothing but it is a dynamic programming language. Programming language. Dynamic programming language. First one. What is a dynamic? Means it can create the runtime environment. Runtime environment. So Python directly our code interpret means which source code you are going to giving the source code directly converting into the machine code. That's why what we call it is a dynamic programming language. And always it can take the runtime memory only, not compile time memory, sir. Okay, here Python can takes runtime memory allocation. Okay, runtime memory allocation, sir. Memory allocation. That's why what we call it is a dynamic programming language. The second type is nothing but a interpreted programming language. Interpreted programming language. Then what is the interpreted, sir? Simple, my friends. Suppose your Python code you prepared in Windows 11 operating system. So after completing that Python code, the same code if you want to run in Mac OS, definitely it will be work. So here Python is what? Interpreter programming language. I will tell you one example. Suppose now, sir, if your mobile device now contain one mobile number. What is the number? Suppose 999. It's this number. And this number belongs to which network, sir? Geo network. Imagine Geo network. Suddenly, so from 1 month you are getting here signal issue, sir. And you decided want to change your network. And if you want to change network, what happens, sir? The network will give the new number like this. But you don't want to change your number, sir. You want to use same number in another network. For that, what you are doing, sir? Tell me. Sir, for that, what you are doing? Tell me, sir.
Porting.
What we call portability. Are you understand? Portability means what? Same mobile number we are using into Airtel network. Guys, understand. Here, are you going to changing mobile number or network, my friends? Hello, are you going to changing mobile number or network, sir?
Network.
Need your response, sir. Are you going to changing mobile number or network, sir? Okay, network only. But in any network, our mobile number is same. And here also same, sir. Okay, once you can write your Python code by using one operating system. Okay, by using one operating system, same code we can run in another operating system also. That's why what we call it is an interpreted programming language. And what we call platform independent also. Platform independent. Okay, then third one, sir. Third one. Okay, third one, easy to learn. Easy to learn, sir. Because of, if you have, so one thing, sir, okay, if you read the sentence, okay, just because of every code we are writing by using English only. Okay, simply, easy to learn means what? Okay, simply you can, if you know the English, that's enough. We can easily write the our programming language. The fourth one, sir, okay, multi threading concept, very very important. Multi threaded programming language. So So we can run, so we can develop our project in different processor also. We'll see this one. Don't worry about it, sir. It's a one kind of features in our Python programming language. The next one, sir, and the fifth one is a exception handler. Exception handler programming language means what? While developing our project, while developing our so programs. Okay, every program knowingly, unknowingly, okay, he can give some errors also. So in order to handle that errors, and they given some concept. The concepts are what? Exception handler. So these are the some few features they given into our Python programming language, guys. Clear my point up to here? Need our response?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, clear, please.
So
Okay. Next.
multi-threading, are you going to explain more, right, in future, upcoming future?
Definitely.
Multi-threading. Okay, okay.
Multi-threading. These are the very important concepts. While we are working in web-based application and REST API microservices, okay, internally, which concept is going to working, sir? Multi-threading concept is working, right? These are the topics. It will take 2 days time. Guys, are you understand?
Okay. Yeah.
These are the topics, right? Okay, sir, this is what and why and where and what are the features of Python programming language. Now, sir, I am going to revealing just core Python, okay, roadmap, sir. Roadmap means, sir, in core Python, which topic we are going to covering one by one. Sir, please understand, just I am going to writing, okay, in MS Paint, and better to write yourself also, sir. And just you can remember, just I am giving the some, okay, bullet points, and every day we are going with this one, sir. So in that, the first one is, okay, basic Python functions. Please, I am giving the topic wise. Okay, remember. Okay, if required, you can. Okay, you can type, sir. Okay, and you can note down. That is very important to us. Okay, everything I am going to giving here. Basic Python, okay, functions are I am talking about the commands. Commands. Okay, in that, my friend, in that, first one is nothing but a print, sir. Print. So please behead it. Why print? Simply display. Okay, at a time I am giving, sir, కొంచెం షార్ట్ ఫార్మాట్ లో డిస్ప్లే, ఓకే, డేటా, display data on console. Suppose tomorrow if you want to print output in console, then we are going to using the print function. Sir, at a time I am giving. The next one I am talking about one more function is what? Input. Input. So why purpose? Suppose receives, okay, input, receives a input from the user, from the user. Sir, every day, tomorrow onwards, we are traveling with these things only. The next one, sir, length, length. So suppose you given the data, sir, and you want to find out the length of data. Then get length of, okay, length of data. And one more command is what's the type. Type. So knows the data type of given given variable values. Sir, understand, please, very important. Tomorrow onwards we are traveling with these things only. Okay, this is what, sir, our basic first commands. Basic commands. Guys, are you there? Everyone need your response once.
Yes,
Friends,
yes, sir.
sir, why I am telling you, okay, please understand, complete roadmap I am giving here. Okay, this is the first one, sir. This is the first one. Now I'm talking about the second topic is, variables. Okay, variables and data types. Variables and data types. So if you remember this chart, definitely you can enjoy your entire course, my friends. Okay, in that the first data it was int, means this one to store the integer data type. Integer data type. Then second one is what's our float. Float, please understand. Okay, means what? Floating data types. Floating data types means what? Just it can store the, decimal values, sir. Integer means what? It can store the pure numbers like 20, 30, like that. The next one is, bull. Means it can store the either true or false. What we call Boolean Boolean data types. It can store simply true or false values. At a time I am giving. So please understand all the keywords you must be remember. Int, float, boolean. The next one, sir. The next one. Okay, I'm talking about the list. This is very, very important. Is a collection data type. Okay, list. List means list. It can store the list data structure. List data structure, sir. List data structure. And I'm giving small, it can indicate like this, 1 comma 2 comma like this. Just I given small example also beside. The next topic is what's our dict. Dict means what? Dictionaries data types. Sir, please note down, very, very important. Tomorrow onwards, I'm traveling with this topic, sir. Dictionaries, data structures. Dictionary data structures and how to define, like this, like key value pair, sir. Key value pair. Key value pair. Key value pair. Okay, we'll discuss. Don't worry. Just I am revealing the topic at one end, sir. Okay. Wherever you can go before going to attempt any interview. Once you can see this chart, sir. That is my aim. Okay, tuple. Okay, tuple is what, sir? It is a tuple data structure. Tuple data structure. Tuple data structure, sir. Okay, here we can show curly brace, but 1 comma 2 comma 3. So if you give same value again, it won't take. Means duplicate not accepted. Okay, the next one is what, sir? Set. Okay, set data structure. Okay, then I'm giving the set data structure. Set data structure, sir. Okay, set data structure. Even it is also can declare like this. Actually, tuple can defined, with parentheses, sir. Sorry. Okay. And set can define within the curly braces. Okay, 1 comma 2 comma like this. We'll talk. The next one, sir. Okay, next I'm talking about the string. Okay, third one is what? Okay, str means string data types. String means what? Your names, company names, employee names, student names. This is what string data types. Okay, string data types. These are the variables and data types we are going to talking in our Python programming language. Sir, why I am giving here at a time? Please understand. Okay, this is what? Which topics are? Tell me. Variables and data types. Are you there, guys? Everyone need your response. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
Sir, why I am telling you understand? So why I am giving the charts understand, sir? Okay, this is what our basic commands and variables and Pythons. The next one, sir, I'm talking about control statements. The next topic, third one is what? Control statement. Okay, control statements. Indirectly, I'm giving all the Python keyword also. Python keyword also, sir. Here, third topic, control statements. And in control statements, we are going to focusing on, okay, first one, okay, comma, and if, and if, the next one was, and nested if, and we can call if else if. Okay, if first, and if elif, okay, if elif, and if elif else also. And these all are what we call, sir, conditional conditional control statement. We'll talk, but I'm giving it a, oh, sir, control statement. Everything will discuss programmatically. The next one, sir, I'm talking about for loop. So if you want to repeat your statement multiple time until the given condition is false, then go with what for loop. Suppose loop, loop means what? Through, okay, through a sequence. A sequence order. If you want to repeat your loop, if you want to repeat, print your data in sequence order, then go with what? For loop. The next one we have a while loop, sir. Okay, while loop. So means what? Just while loop, what will do? It can repeat. Okay, loop if condition is true. If condition is true. If condition is true, sir, it can repeat. It can repeat your statement. The next one, sir, break. Break means what? Just exit the loop. Okay, exit the loop. Suppose your current iteration, if you want to exit, then go with what? Break. The next one is what? Continue. Okay, continue, sir. Continue. It is a continue means what? Okay, it can skip the current iteration. So which iteration is true? It can be skip it. Okay, which one is not true? It can be printed. Then go with what? What we call, sir? Continue. Simple what I'm giving, sir? Skip current, current, current iteration. Current iteration. Guys, understand. The next one, sir, one more keyword is what? Pass. Pass means what? It can avoid the null operations. Null operation. This is what we are going to focusing in control statements. These all are the keyword, my friends. Please understand. Okay, this is what we call our control statement topic. Guys, are you there? Need your response, please.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes.
Friends, are you
Yes.
following? Then this is what our basics are. Are a little bit of I want to see advanced, sir. Then the fourth topic is what? Fourth topic is what? Functions in our Python. This is very, very powerful, sir. Functions. In that functions, in function concept, always we can use three types of keywords. The first one is nothing but a def keyword. This is purpose is what? Just define, okay, define a new function, my friends. Sir, indirectly, I am teaching everything here in one chart. Tomorrow, wherever you can go, just you can see the chart, sir. Your complete Python will come in your brain. The next one, return keyword. Why will do the return keyword? Simply returns, okay, what we call, okay, returns value from the function, from the function. The next one is what, sir? Lambda. Okay, it is a lambda is nothing but a anonymous function. It is also very, very important. Okay, create a anonymous function, sir. What we call anonymous, okay, anonymous function means nameless function, sir. What we call nameless function, anonymous function, or what we call nameless function. So these are the things we are going to covering in where, sir? Our functions concept. Our functions concepts. Please understand. And understand, sir. The next one, I'm talking about little bit of advanced, oops concept. Then classes and oops. Oops concept. Okay. And when you go with here, okay, the first keyword is nothing but a class. Guys, first keyword is nothing but a class. Now, what is the purpose of class? Simple. Define a new class. Define a new class in your program. In your program, right? Define a new class into our program. Okay, the next one I'm talking about, okay, I'm talking about one keyword, self keyword, sir. Self keyword means refer to instance, instance of a class. Of a class. Instance means what? It can refer to the current class object. Simply what we call current class object. We'll discuss, don't worry about it. The next one, very, very important one, sir, init method. Okay, init function. It is called constructor in your constructor in our method, sir, in your class. Is a constructor method in class so these are the parts we can see in class concepts, sir. Class concepts. The next one I'm talking about modules and packages. Okay, now I'm talking about one more thing. Guys, are you here with me? Please, everyone, need your response.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, sir, understand. Okay, sir, no one will teach you like this. Really, I'm promising you, sir. Please focus on it. Okay, and before coming to the session, please once see this chart, you will get more clarity. Okay, just I'm giving the fifth part, and here I given the sixth part is nothing but a modules, and simply what we call packages. Okay, packages. So we are talking about modules and packages. Here we are going to using three keywords, sir. The first one is what? Import keyword. What is one, sir? Import keyword. Guys, import keyword. So what we'll do import simple define. Okay, define a new package. New. Okay, define new class or define new module, sir. Just I'm giving the new class. New class. And next one more thing, sir. Okay, here we are going to using from and I'm going to using the import combination from and import. Sometime we can use. Okay, import are import. Okay, import specific function are okay are are modules, sir. So these are the two things we are going to talking about our okay packages concepts. The next one, sir. The next one, okay, exception handling concepts. Okay, seventh one, seventh topic is what? Exception handling, exception handling concepts. Okay, seventh one. And here we are going to using, three types of keywords. Okay, the first one is, try. First one is try. Means what? Define. Okay, define. Okay, define a new function. Okay, with block of the code, block of the code, sir. And along with try, we can use one more keyword is what, sir? Accept, try and accept. These two things we are going to. So try block try to handle the block of the code, and accept can throw our runtime error. So this is what exception handling concept. Exception handling concept. The next one here we are talking about one more keyword, finally. Okay, finally keyword, sir. And execute. This one is very, very important. Execute. So execute code, okay, a regular, execute, okay, simple what we call regardless, okay, execute code, okay, regardless of an, okay, exception, okay, occurring or not, sir. That means what, suppose your application having some runtime error, sir. So if runtime error handled or not, finally block compulsory will be executed, right? So it's very, very important. The next one, sir, okay, raise. Next one is what? Raise, my friends. Guys, are you there? Are you following me, everyone? Need our response once?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Raise means what? A trigger. Okay, trigger and okay, exception. Triggers and exception, sir. So these are the things we are talking about. Exception handling concepts. Very, very important. The next one, sir. And eighth topic is what? Okay, eighth one is what? File handling concepts. Okay, file. handling concepts. File handling concepts, sir. Okay, guys, in file handling, most of the time we can use four types of functions. Okay, the first one is, okay, open means for just open, open a new file, open a new file, open a new file, my friends. The next one, okay, next one is, read. What you call, sir? Read. Okay, read the content of, the file, content of the file. The next one, okay, next one, write. Next one, write. So write a file. If you want to add any new content to the content of the file, then what we call, can go with the write to a file. Okay, the next one you can what, close. Very, very last one, sir. And after adding, after reading, after writing, and if you want to close the file, then use what? Close. Simple thing, what we call, sir? Close, close it, and open, close and open a file. So this is what, sir, file handling concepts. We can see our concepts. The next one, sir. Next one, we have a decorators and generator. We'll talk later, later, sir. And the last one, sir. Okay, list comprehension. And this will come under internally in our collection data structure, sir. So these are the topics we are going to covering into our complete, okay, basic Python concepts. And after completed, and slowly we are talking about the Django framework. Okay, the Django framework, sir. By using the Django framework, we are going to developing our web-based application. Web-based applications. Based applications, sir. Clear my point? Please need a response.
Yes, sir.
So, sir, I'm clearly I given the content. So this content is very, very powerful, and and before going to any interview, please recall this one, sir. Each and every topics very, very important. Okay, basic command was, sir, print. So just display the output. Input, we are giving input. Length, to find the length of the data. Type, to know the type of given variables. Okay, everything will see we one by one, my friends. Are you understand up to here? Need our response?
Yes, sir, we understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. So this is the today's story. And sir, okay, please come to the session regularly. And okay, and our demo sessions, I think, completed Monday onwards. We are going to taking 1.5 hour session, and everyone enroll at your, training institute. Yes or no? And I think tomorrow we don't have a class. I'm going to my hometown. Okay, I have some marriage event, so that's why I'm going, sir. And Monday onwards we'll take our session 1.5 hour. And as soon as possible, everyone enroll at your institute, right? Indu,
Mm.
Rohit, Sudhir, and Mukesh.
Yeah, I will go with payment tomorrow
Ah,
or today night. I will touch base with the admin, sir.
okay, okay. Guys, are you understand what I explain you clearly? Then only, just now they messaged me. Then only you will get complete notes and recording sessions also. So
Yeah, we are
after
understanding.
enrollment, then only will get recording videos and complete notes, sir. Tell me, sir.
No,
Sudhir.
no, we are understanding. No, what I'm saying is we are understanding till now. So we don't have the classes for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, right?
No, no, no. This week, so
Oh,
already I told you, Sudhir. Okay, every week we have a session from Monday to Saturday, but tomorrow I don't have a
okay.
session.
Sudhir,
Tomorrow I'm
sorry to interrupt you. In USA,
Okay.
it will be Sunday night to Thursday night.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. In India, Monday to Friday.
Understood. Got it. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So they're clear from my side. Are you understand everything?
Yeah. 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 I understood. Understood. Just on
Okay.
timings, I'm trying to understand the timings, but now I'm good.
Okay. Rohit, what about you? Rohit, please speak out.
Yeah, I'm clear, sir. I will go ahead with the payment, and these notes definitely need. So I will, by next 2 to 3 days, by Monday, I will touch base with admin and will complete my payment procedure.
Okay. Okay. Indu, what
Yeah.
about you?
I can understand.
Okay. Sudhir is okay. Mukesh, what about you? So, right, sir. Okay. And thank you. And we'll meet again on Monday, sir. Tomorrow we don't have a session, please. Okay. మేడం ఏమైనా చెప్తారా
Yeah.
సరిత మ్యామ్?
Yes, sir. Fine.
ఓకే. రిమైనింగ్ వాళ్ళు కూడా కాల్ చేయడం అతను ఉన్నాడు కదా మేడం, అతను రాజశేఖర్ రెడ్డి వాళ్ళు నిన్న
Yeah,
వచ్చినప్పుడు.
రాజశేఖర్ కి ఏదో ప్రాజెక్ట్ టైమింగ్స్ చేంజ్ అయ్యాయట, సో తనకి కుదరట్లేదని చెప్పారు.
రిమైనింగ్ వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు కదా, వాళ్ళకు కూడా చేయండి.
నేను చేస్తాను, నేను ఫాలో అప్ చేస్తాను వాళ్ళతో.
ఓకే. ఓకే. వాళ్ళు వచ్చారు కదా మేడం వరుసగా. సరే. థ్యాంక్ యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ గైస్. హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే.